It's turbo can. One sweep and we're done. I'm going to attempt to use the last quarter of this turbo can. Rust-Oleum can. It prevents rust. Turbo spray, 4 times faster. It's massive. So the first time I used it, I wasted a lot of paint. And to try and get the coverage I needed, I had to keep spraying it because it kept spraying everywhere except where I wanted it. So then it started to drip, so it was like too much. If I could just like build the Great Wall, really maximize this thing. I feel like I got a quarter of that can left. I've only done one side of all of these plates, just one side. These will have to dry, they're taking 24 hours to dry. So all of these, this big 15, and then all of these. So I have to like turn all those around tomorrow when they're all dry and repeat this process. Probably have to go to Bunnings and get another one of these cans. I do recommend this can. This can, if you set it up the way I've set it up or you set it up better, this can is the bomb. It really does stick. It's enamel. It does smell, which is what I was afraid of, but because it just blasts out in such high volume, you don't have to be like going shh, colouring in like some other cans. So I really, really recommend this for the cast iron weights. These bits are going to be coloured, so I'm going to stack these, spray colour around the side.